Hey guys! In this video we are going to checking out the top 5 best mirror dash cam review in 2022. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay update latest technology reviews. So let's get started. Number 5. Jayaza 10-inch 4K mirror dash cam. The Jayaza 10-inch touchscreen mirror dash cam. This dash cam provides 3840 into 2160 pixels video resolution, 2.5D curved glass design, scratch-resistant, anti-glare, anti-fingerprint. You can vary fast operation of the car camera so that you are safer in driving. The 170-degree wide viewing angle helps you clearly captures more details to reduce video shooting blind area. This 4K mirror dash cam features Sony sensors in the front and rear cameras for sharp nighttime video quality. This cam helps to record a crystal clear and visible video in any situation, day or night. You can adjust the appropriate angle of view by long pressing the screen and moving your finger up and down. G-sensor can lock up current DVR recording during critical moments, this protecting your high-quality recordings. Automatically overwrite the previous recordings with new files except locked files when the memory card is full. If DVR be shocked by any external forces, like a thief while parking, its parking mode function will turn on to recording automatically. Number 4. Ponky B500 12-inch mirror dash cam. The B500 high sensitivity 3840 into 2160 pixel HD touchscreen display, made of high quality material, advanced IPS technology, and high color saturation technology that allows the screen display clearer. 170-degree ultra-wide-angle full-view touchscreen provides crystal image without any delay and reduce blind spots compared with other screens. Bigger, clearer. This 4K mirror dash cam features premium dual Sony sensors in the front and rear cameras for sharp nighttime video quality. It can automatically fill light, reduce image noise and have clear imaging. It can capture license plates, vehicle colors, and record driving environment. It also GPS system accurately records your driving data. Dedicated player playback display is more detailed, including time, speed, and coordinates. When encountering emergencies or accident disputes, app intelligently connects to retrieve accident videos in real time, view real-time video, playback video, or download video through the mobile app picture-in-picture. G-sensor can detect sudden shakes or collisions while your car is stationary and will automatically capture the moment of detecting collision after parking. New footage will automatically overwrite older footage when the memory card reaches full capacity. Seamlessly recycle the storage space. Number 3. Janzite 10-inch 2.5K mirror dash cam. The Janzite 2.5D curved glass mirror 10-inch full-view touchscreen display. Smooth images delivered fast without delay. 1080 pixel HD. High-quality color. The 170-degree wide-angle lens. The camera can comfortably monitor 3 lanes. This camera has no blind spots. Enjoy your journey and achieve accurate and detailed captures. It also intelligent anti-shake. High-quality screen capture, contains 6 layers of an optical lens. The Janzite camera uses a large aperture night vision lens. Also the camera chip built-in night vision processing function. Loop recording allows continuous recording even if the memory card reaches full capacity. G-sensor can lock up current DVR recording during critical moments, this protecting your high-quality recordings. The recording automatically mode will turn on if DVR be shocked by any external forces, like a thief while parking. The camera may not work properly if you use a low-quality TF card. The DVR in it supports up to 128GB SD cards and can store more videos. Number 2. Axo 10-inch mirror dash cam. The Axo Full HD 1080 pixel video quality. Higher quality images help to identify vital details such as license plates, driver actions, and road features which may prove your innocence. Front camera lenses with 170-degree large wide-angle and it have 10-inch large screen can have super view. Rear view camera lenses with 140-degree angle good view for reversing. Equipped with Sony Starvis sensor and f1.8 large aperture 6 glass lens, this car camera can capture clearer and more detailed images at night with lower consumption. Evidence collection is guaranteed. When your car is subjected to an impact or other emergency, the G sensor is triggered so that the recorder immediately records and locks the video. The memory card is full, and the oldest video will be overwritten by the newly recorded video. However, videos under special conditions will not be overwritten, such as G sensor, parking monitoring. The motion detection function is enabled. When the car DVR detects a moving object, it will automatically start recording video. When there is no moving object, it will stop recording and detect the moving object again. Number 1. 70 x 9.35-inch mirror dash cam. The 70 x 9.35-inch IPS full-screen display with 1080-pixel front and rear cameras, rear view dash cam wide records double vision live videos without any blind spot. It also shooting angle is 360 degrees adjustable, and you can also stretch the support rod of the lens to capture the best view. Equipped with advanced sensor and f1.8 large aperture 6 glass, this car camera captures sharp video and images during the day and night. This dashcam app supports both iOS and Android systems, allowing you to download both front and rear cameras videos through Wi-Fi. Also, lock emergency video to event file to prevent an overwrite. The important footage will be locked when encountering the front rear car mirror cam detects an impact, and locked files will not be covered by loop recording. With loop recording on the mirror camera, the oldest unlocked files will be overwritten once the South Dakota card is full,